Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you're new to my channel, I am Diamond. If you're returning, thank you again for continuing to support my channel, watch my videos, like my videos, comment, love y'all. If you haven't already, please remember to also turn on your notifications so you get notified every time I post. Okay, so I got a fun video planned for you. It's gonna be testing my acting and impersonation skills, so stay tuned to watch me crash and burn. Just kidding, I'll do great. Obviously, if I posted it, I did great. Okay, y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Diamond. Okay, so for today's video, I did a poll on my Twitter and Instagram, and the girls really showed out, honey. Y'all really showed out. Okay, so here it is for you today. How to not be ashy 101. So I know it's quarantine and we're not really going out as much, you know, and all that good stuff, but you guys need to still be moisturizing and applying SPF. Okay, I got a whole skincare routine that I shared with y'all, and I know y'all saw it. I know y'all saw it. Well, I'm over here giving free promo to an old video, and I forgot to mention today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is Fenty. I know you see this glow. That could only be Fenty. Alright, I know you saw that glow. Shout out to Fenty. Shout out to Fenty, my girl Riri. Shout out to you, Riri. Keeping the light bills paid. Okay. Oh, this lighted. Oh, this. Oh, hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. I don't know why this lighting is just got me looking crazy. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I don't know why you here. Okay, you always watch my videos, but you ain't subscribed. If you ain't a part of the Diamond Gang yet, check yourself, honey. Anyway, so I'm back with a little story time for y'all. You know me, I come through with the story times. So I'm at school, right? Because y'all know I go to school. Y'all know I go to school. So I'm at school and I got my little backpack in my hand or whatever, looking cute, you know, it's real cute. And I call an Uber. Now, when I call an Uber, I'm waiting like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. No Uber. Where's the Uber? Where's the Uber? Okay, cool. So, Uber pulls up. And guys, you would not believe. Guess who's the driver? Guess who's the driver? Jerry. Jerry. So I say, Jerry. I say, Jerry, you late. Where were you, Jerry? So I say, why are you late, Jerry? So you know Jerry, he come with the, I don't speak English, but you speak in English to say you don't speak English. Now come on, Jerry. Come on, Jerry. Anyway, y'all, I went in the car because my feet was kind of hurting because I've been standing there and my wig was sliding back from the heat. So I went in the car. Jerry ain't got the air on, and I'm just like, golly, Jerry, turn on the air. I'm already black. I don't want to be roasted. Oh, I didn't see you there. Hey guys, I went to the shelter yesterday and I got a cat and I named him Catastrophe. Was that good? Was that good? What do you mean no, that wasn't good? What do you mean by no? What do you mean by no? I work so hard being the CEO of the universe and driving around in my Tesla to save the world, save the earth, and this is the thanks I get. Well, for today's video, I'm going to be emailing super mega rich celebrities such as myself to pay my tuition. Now, I know some of you guys are already wondering, Diamond, why do you need to email super mega rich celebrities, you know, to pay your tuition? Aren't you rich? Don't you have so many Grammys? And I'm just like, yeah. Okay. So we're gonna go to the thrift store and I just want to show you guys this cute shirt that I got. Isn't it adorable? It's a little kiwi, you know. Check out my merch line. Check out my merch line. I sell cute necklaces like this, and that's real. It's super real, and it's my jewelry line. I said merch line. It's my jewelry line, and I'll link it below in the description so you guys can go check it out. Okay. So as y'all know, it's a whole lot of going on, but I ain't got nothing to do with it. Okay, go ahead, get it, friend, get it, friend, get it, friend. So, see, what had happened was, she had lent him some money, and when homegirl wanted her money back, homeboy was nowhere to be found. So now she's all over social media, and you know, his fans attacking her, his little girlfriend attacking her, saying all kind of stuff about her. And all I'm wondering is, how you lend him that much money knowing he got a girlfriend, friend? At this point, DM me. I need a loan. Okay. Anyway, y'all, she is just stupid. But if it ain't about me, next week he gonna rob all her money. Next case. Next on the docket. Hi, and welcome back to me talking about whatever I want. I'm Diamond, and today's topic is why you shouldn't believe everything you see on the internet. So I commented on a YouTube video recently, and I came under fire from the stands I didn't even know this person had. And knowing me, you know what I did. I went on Twitter and I said it again and tagged them, and these were the responses. I'll show the screenshots, and you know, based on those responses, it just seems like someone I should hate, you know, someone you guys should hate, right? But no, it's all fake. I made it up. Screenshots are fake and everything is fake. So that's why you shouldn't believe everything you see on the internet. And looks like I got 10 minutes of content out of this, so ultimately, who cares? Hi, and welcome back to my channel, mother suckers. I am Diamond. Today's topic is why colorless black men can't shut the hell up. Okay, so this video is not for all black men, only colorless black men. So if you see some black men in the comments, you know, getting real antsy, real agitated or whatever, they telling on themselves. Okay, they're telling on themselves. Now I'm from New York, and where I grew up around these same darker than me. They mama darker than me, they sister darker than me, and they grow up to now be saying they don't like black. This girl is too dark. You get what I'm saying? So child, I personally think that I nailed these. So comment below who you want to see me do next. Okay? And I'm gonna do a part 2.